We didn't have one day with the cruiser. You already... What happened while I was gone? How was it blown up? No more. Okay, we have three things right here. We have park, reverse, and drive. Park means the car can't move. This is what reverse does. Okay, we'll do that later.
This is.
Oh, we have to turn it on. Okay.
Yeah, it's worrying that I can change this one. I see something funny.
Okay. All right. We're done. We're done. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so step out of the car. No, we don't need to be turning it on. Okay, step out of the car. Reply, step out of the car. Reply. You are so banned from driving the car.
Bro, I forgot this. What the fuck? What is that? What the hell?
Okay, I am now permanent driver. You are going to be in charge of hauling the loot and staying in the back with it. I'm going to be the driver. It's okay. Maybe in the future I'll let. Oh, buddy. It's okay. I'll be okay.
Hey, bud.
Hi.
Is this what you've been doing for the past 5 minutes?
It's a little sensitive.
Hey, buddy. Let me do you a favor. Hey, buddy.
What the fuck?
You were upside down. I was doing you a favor. Very
Hey, you know
deadly
how,
favor.
You know how you can, in Sea of Thieves you can push a rowboat?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it works with this car. You can push it.
Oh. Well, I have a better way of getting it up.
Fucking hate you.